Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix any kind of sound problem or the audio problem or the sound crackling problem. I will show you the different and effective solution to fix this problem, so let's get started. Guys, first solution is restart your PC. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the problem. The second solution is check sound crack device is selected. Go to the Windows tab with the sound settings and open it. Now here just make sure that the output device is selected correctly, which is your speakers or any other. And also make sure that your master volume is above the 60% or the any other. Then choose the correct input device. You have any microphone. So once you select it, now simply check your problem is fixed or not. Now the third solution to fix this problem is troubleshoot sound. So go to the Windows side, type in the troubleshoot settings and open it. Now here just click on the additional troubleshooters. Now here you'll see the playing audio, just click on that. Then just click on the run the troubleshooter, then it start detecting the problem with your audio or sound. Now if there is any kind of problem or issue with your sound, then this built-in function can fix them automatically. You see the option to resolve or solve the issue, just click on that, then check your problem is fixed or not. The next solution to fix this problem is check sound output devices. Now I already showed you. The next solution to fix this problem is update audio drivers. So go to the Windows tab with the device manager. It will appear on the top, so simply open it. Now here guys, you will see the audio input and output. Just open it. Just right click on your speaker, click on the update, then click on the search automatically. Then if there is any kind of available update for your driver, then just update it. Now check. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, then right click on your speaker, then click on the disable device. Then click on the yes option. So once it was disabled, now right click on it again, then click on the enable. By disabling or enabling your speakers, sometimes fix the problem. So you can simply try and simply launch the game, then check your problem is fixed or not. Now the third solution is check in-game audio settings. Open the game settings and ensure the audio is not muted or set to low. Reset audio setting to default or increase the master volume and then check your problem is fixed or not. Now the fourth or the fifth step to fix this problem is disable audio enhancement or the change audio format. So go to the Windows tab with the control panel and simply open it. And now here you will see the view by just click on that, then click on the category, then click on the hardware and sound, then click on the sounds. Now here you'll see your speakers. So make a right click on your speakers. You'll see the property, just click on that. Now here, make sure that it is enabled, selected. Now you'll see the enhancement on the top. So just click on that. Now make sure that this option is unchecked or uncheck it. Then go to the advanced. Then here, make sure that the correct format is selected. Select it to the 16-bit or this value, then just due to quality, then just click on the plus, then just launch the game and see your volume is 6 or not. If not, then go to the properties again, go to the advanced again, then just select it to the 16-bit or the CD quality. Once you select it, then just simply click on the plus, then just launch the game and see your problem is fixed or not. And guys, if your problem is still not fixed, then the next solution that you need to apply is verify game files. If you're playing through Steam, verify the games or the integrity of game files. Right click on your game, go to the properties, go to the local file, then click verify integrity of game file, then simply restart the PC, then launch the game, then check. Now the same solution to fix this problem is close background apps. Some background apps may interface with the audio and close unnecessary application, especially those related to audio, which is the Discord streaming softwares. Turn off overlay of the Discord, Steam, or other software. Then simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Now the A solution to fix this problem is update Windows. So go to the Windows tab where the update and the Windows update appear on the top. So simply open it. Now here just click on the check for update, and if there is missing or available update for your Windows, then just update it. The nice solution to fix this problem is check for game updates. Ensure the game itself is up to date, as patches may fix audio related bugs. And I hope guys one of the solution fixed your problem, and if yes, please don't forget to like this video, and bye bye and take care.